Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're watching a big show in Attleboro, which is a fireworks show. It's 9 to 9:30. It's like 9:24 right now. Oh, look at the fireworks. We can walk all the way here.
Walking all the way there. It's so hard, but you can see we're trying to go to the forest to see them.
These videos, this is guys. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to receive more notifications and subscribe because we're making more videos and I'm gonna have a gaming channel.
It's so loud, but it's so pretty.
Yeah.
Just look at that one. There's so much pretty fire. And look at that one.
Yeah.
That one's so pretty. Look at that one. Oh. I wish I could go to the sky and touch last time. I think I did touch it. It's okay because it's water. I don't know if it's
Yeah. This is